Now, coming to the assignment operator, as you have seen that assignment is nothing but assigning any value to any variable. So what I'm considering over here is in my programming, I'm directly going to explain you a is equal to some value as 10 means what? We are assigning the value of a as 10. Likewise, b is equal to 20. So we are assigning the value of b as 20. Now, similarly, apart from this, you can also use the assignment operator in various forms. That is by using the plus equal to, minus equal to, and so on. You will be seeing all of them now. So now coming to the assignment operators. So in this assignment operators, you will be seeing here various forms of assignment operators. So you can see over here as printf. So first of all, what we are trying to print, plus is equal to, okay. So we will apply the plus equal to representation over here. So I'm writing the plus and equal to together to make you familiarize with it. So what I'm writing here, a plus equal to b. This way I want to print. Okay. So before that I will be printing even what? Value of a comma value of b is equal to this. I want. Now how many percentage d's we require there? Percentage d for 3 times. How many times? 3. One for a, one for b, and one for a plus is equal to b. In between I need the tab spaces, spacing I require, so I'm using backslash t. Okay, so this is how we write it. And now once again let me give here backslash n, so it will come to your next line. Yes, yeah. Now it is correct. So finally I will be writing here a comma b comma a plus is equal to b. Okay, so what is the meaning of this statement? First of all, it will go and print the value of a as 10, b as 20, a plus is equal to 10. मीनिंग क्या? a का वैल्यू एंड b का वैल्यू दोनों एड अप होके आपको मिलेगा आंसर यहाँ पे अभी 30. Let us see the output. So just execute this part and see the output. Just a minute. Here I need to give some spacing because it is coming exactly. Yes. So if we are compiling and writing, now you see what was the value of a. The given value of a was what we have given as 10. But now since by performing this a plus is equal to b, 10 plus 20 कितना हो गया आंसर आपका 30. तो 30 किस में जाके अभी रिप्लेस हो गया? आपका वेरिएबल पोजीशन a में जाके स्टोर हो गया अभी 30. Okay, that's why you can see here both the ways as 30. Fine. Now similarly you can apply for the subtraction as well. For the subtraction, what you have to do? Nothing but just change the symbol over there. So I'm simplifying your task by telling you that just change the symbol, everything remains the same. Everything is same. Okay. So minus हो जाएगा अभी आपको यहाँ पे. So you see the output now for minus. Okay, 1 second, just a minute. Your backslash n must be there. Yes. So if you see the output now, so value of a and b you see here. अभी subtract होने के बाद 20 minus 10 remains 10 only. So even the value of a also it has replaced because सेम वेरिएबल में हमने उसको स्टोर करना है, इसीलिए न्यू वैल्यू इज बीइंग अपडेटेड, रिप्लेसमेंट हो जा रहा, ओवरराइट हो जा रहा, पॉइंट टू बी रिमेंबर्ड ओवर हियर. ओके, so we are replacing that value. Similarly again you can perform it for multiplication as well. क्या करना है multiplication को? Just change the symbol to multiplication. Asterisk mark you will be using there. So this represents your asterisk symbol. Now multiplication, 10 into 20, answer is 200. So you see variable a value is keep on changing, updating itself. Yes or no? So that is the meaning of assignment. Every time it is assigning its value. Why? Because I told you that if at all I'm writing a plus is equal to b, it is also the same meaning for a is equal to a plus b, a mathematical expression. Okay. Now finally for division we will see, and as well as I want to show you for modulus as well. So here I will use backslash n. Backslash n is basically used for the new line. Okay, and first we are performing here for the division purpose, and then below we are performing it for the modulus purpose. So this is our division part and this is our modulus mod, right? So that's it. If I'm going and executing and compiling it, you will see the output. So this is how we are generating the output, the difference between division and modulus. 1 second, it has missed some part. Okay, since a mod b, it is not representing there. Why? Because it has some extra meaning for the modulus. That's why it is not letting you see the output over there. In the output screen, you are not able to see that. So these are the values that we have seen for the assignment operator. Assignment plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and modulus equal to. Difference between modulus and division is, in the division we consider the quotient part, whereas in the modulus we consider the remainder. So that is about the assignment operators. We have other assignment operators like greater than equal to, less than or equal to. This we will be seeing in the conditional statements in the upcoming classes. So if you want to learn more about the operators or about the C programming, stay connected, stay tuned to this channel.